Breaking news. Global CEO turnover. Annual report reveals in 2024, Seoul CEOs were replaced faster than any time in history. And no one is safe. CEO turnover jumped by 9% globally, but in technology, it skyrocketed by 90%. 40 tech CEOs disappeared in 1 year. Who's firing them? Not boards, activist investors. 27 CEOs were forced out in a single year. Leadership pressure is so intense that more CEOs now say one CEO role is enough. Nobody wants the throne twice. Here's the twist. 85% of new CEOs in 2024 have never been CEOs before. Experience is no longer the entry ticket. Agility is. The CEO pipeline has shifted. The fastest route today, COO, not CFO. 22% of new CEOs came from COO roles, especially in tech-driven companies. We're making progress, but the gender gap is still 27 years away from parity. The CEO role is no longer about power. It's about transformation, agility, systems thinking, and AI fluency. The CEO isn't just transforming. The role is being rewritten. This is Amro Farag. Follow me for the strategic survival insights you need to adapt to this seismic shift in executive leadership.